Hello students. Unit 3 Prose The Child Who Saved the Forest. 5th Standard English Notes Part 1 Semester 1 Vocabulary Main 1 Find one word for each of the following from the lesson. First one A place where wild animals live, forest. Second one A thing or person liked very much, favorite. Third one, to come back, return. Fourth one, to write back, return. Fifth one, where there is no danger, safe. Second main, rearrange the letters to get names of different trees. KAO OAK tree. BBOAMO BAMBOO bamboo tree. Third one, MALP means PALM, palm tree. Fourth one, MENENEEM, neem tree. Fifth one, EPINE, pine tree. Sixth one, UCAEPYLTUS, eucalyptus tree. Comprehension. First main, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. First question, where did Prem and his family live? Prem lived with his family in a small village near Bandipur forest. Second question, why was Prem sad? Answer, Prem heard that many trees in the forest would be cut down. Where would the animals and birds go if the trees are cut? This is his feeling. Third question, what did Prem and his friend Nasrin do to solve the problem? Answer, Prem took his friend Nasrin with him to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. Both though sit for a while about where these animals would go, and they decided to approach the authorities concerned to stop the cutting down of trees. Fourth question, whom did they write the letter to? Answer, Prem wrote a letter to the president of Gram Sabha. Fifth question. What was the complaint about? Answer. Complaint about request for not cutting down trees in the forest. Sixth one. Who signed the complaint? Answer. Prem's parents and their friends signed the complaint. They also took signatures of the people in the local community and those residing in nearby villages. Second main, describe Prem's love for the forest and animals. Answer. Prem had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. He became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. He was sad when heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. He think where would the animals and birds go if the trees are cut? Prem and his friend Nasreen decided to approach the authorities concerned to stop the cutting down of trees. Prem wrote a letter to the president of Grama Sabha and requested his parents and their friends to sign on it. They also took signatures. Of the people in the local community and those residing in nearby villages. Prem sent the letter to the president of Grama Sabha. Very soon he got a reply from the president of Grama Sabha. President of Grama Sabha is happy about the love he had shown towards nature. His request for not cutting down trees in the forest has been accepted. He had decided not to cut down the trees in the forest. Now the plants, animals, and birds will be safe. Third question: what do you learn from this lesson? Answer: I take a lesson from Prem that we are also take care and save the nature. If the small boy struggled for saving forest, animals, and birds, why we can't? From today, we are all must take responsibility of our nature because if nature is safe, we are safe. Language exercises. Main 1. Give the plural forms of the following words. First one, deer, deers. Second one, forest, forests. Friend, friends. Authority, authorities. Community, communities. Second main, rewrite the following sentences using plural forms of the underlined words. Observe the change in the words. First one, where will the animal go if there are no trees. Here we add s to the animals. Where will the animals go if there are no trees? Second one, the deer came sprinting towards him. We remove him, we add them. The deer came sprinting towards them. Third one, I have good habits. We remove I and add he. He have good habits. Fourth one, the community that lived near the forest signed it. Community we remove, we add communities. Fifth one, I appreciate your love for animal and birds. We remove I and add we appreciate your love for animal, not animal, animals and birds. Main third, it's speaking time. Sit in pairs and discuss about your favorite animal and why you like it. You could begin like this. My favorite animal is the lion. It is the king of the forest. Fourth main, speech sounds. Listen to your teacher not pronouncing some letters in the given words. Such letters are silent letters. Example, IRON, not iron, this is iron. R is silent. SHOULD, should. L is silent. COULD, could. L is silent. WOULD, would. L is silent. KNOW, now. K is silent. KNIFE, knife. K is silent. KNEE, knee. K is silent. COMB, comb. B is silent. Which letters are not pronounced in the above list of words? List some more words that have silent letters in them. Like we write half, house, though, throw. My favorite animal is rabbit because it is so cute. It has white in color. It eats carrot. It is herbivorous. It runs fast. It jumps one place to another place. If it heard sound, he hide behind trees. It is clever animal.